Meet VoiceMotions AI, the ultimate solution for creating ultra-realistic voiceovers that convey human-like emotions. With our cutting-edge technology, you can generate over 200 lifelike text-to-speech voices in 40-plus languages, complete with emotional nuances like friendly, cheerful, and even whispering tones. The process is incredibly straightforward. Simply paste your text, choose your desired language and emotion, and export your voiceover with just a few clicks. Have more control over your audio by customizing the pitch, speed, and emphasis to fit your specific requirements. Imagine creating professional-quality audiobooks or immersive audio for your campaigns without the hassle of complex editing software. Our commercial license allows you to use VoiceMotions AI for client projects, letting you keep 100% of the profits. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing strategies, increase engagement, or simply elevate content quality, VoiceMotions AI delivers resulting audio that outshines any real-life recording. Experience the future of voiceover technology and watch your creative projects spring to life.
Thanks for watching this demo. I hope you loved it. Don't forget that I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos.